So good morning to all of you MSc Physics first year student. So today again welcome to lecture series in our subject in the quantum mechanics, and we want to continue our third chapter, which is the angular momentum. In last lecture already we have to see that the eigenvalue equation of j plus, j minus, jx, jx square, jy square. So this equation already seen in the last few lectures. So what is the result of this? The eigenvalue equation of this j plus and j minus is given by. So for example, the first equation, so that is the j plus of j comma m, and this eigenvalue equation is nothing but the h cross square under root of j into j plus 1 minus m into m plus 1 and ket of j comma m plus 1. So this is the eigenvalue equation of j plus. And next one, which is given by the eigenvalue equation of j minus, which is nothing but the j minus of j comma m. So that is the h cross square in bracket j of j plus 1 minus m of m minus 1 and the ket of j comma m minus 1. So these are two the eigenvalue equation of j plus and j minus, and this equation is also right in terms of, which is considered as, or j plus of j comma m is nothing but under root of j minus j into j minus 1 h cross j minus 1 j minus m, second bracket j plus m plus 1, okay, or ket of j plus 1 or ket of j comma m plus 1, okay. So this is the eigenvalue equation for j plus, and the eigenvalue equation of j minus, which is considered as, so this is nothing but the h cross under root of j plus m in bracket j minus m plus 1, j minus m plus 1, or the ket bracket of j comma m minus 1. So this equation, which is right in terms of this equation j plus and j minus, which is h cross, here plus is there, so that's why here j minus m is there, and here j plus m plus 1, and this j plus operate on the m, so that ket bracket of j comma m plus 1, and this bracket, which is nothing but the here j minus eigenvalue equation, so that's why here j plus m and here j minus m plus 1, and this j minus, which is operates on the m, so that's why here the ket bracket of j comma m minus 1. And if we see that which in terms this j plus and j minus, which in terms of the two relations, and that two relation which is considered as jx and j minus, so sorry, jx and j plus jy relation. So what is the jx eigenvalue equation? So that is considered as jx of j comma m, okay, which is nothing but what is, so that is the 1 by 2 in bracket j plus j minus or ket of j comma m plus 1, okay. So that is the eigenvalue equation of jx of j comma m, that is half, or you know that what is the eigenvalue equation of jm plus j minus. So we want to write down this equation is there, so what is the result is there. So this result, which is given by here, so that is the h cross by 2, okay. J plus relation is what? So that is the this H cross and this H cross. Okay, if we write this relation, so this H cross and this H cross which is taken outside there, this 2 is denominator also there. So this relation which is considered as under root of J plus relation, so which is given as J minus M in next bracket J plus M plus 1, or ket solution of, or sorry, the ket operator which is J comma M plus 1, J comma M plus 1, or this plus sign is there, so that is the plus, or this J minus which is nothing but this H cross is taken outside already there, this 1 by 2 also there, so J plus 1. J plus M in next bracket J minus M plus 1 and the ket of J comma M minus 1. Okay, so this is the Jx eigenvalue equation, and if you write down Jy, you have to question that why we have to solve this equation, because in the next lecture we want to see the matrix representation of this angular momentum, so we want to need that time of this eigenvalue equation. Next, which is given as the Jy eigenvalue equation, so that is the, so this is nothing but the 1 divided by twice I in bracket of J plus minus J minus of ket of J comma M minus 1. Okay, so this is the equation, and if we solve this equation or write this, so this is nothing but the this H cross is taken outside divided by twice I. J plus value is nothing but this J comma, sorry, J minus 1 M, J plus M plus 1 ket of J comma M plus 1, and another solution, so that is minus sign is there, and this J minus which is nothing but the under root of J plus M in next bracket J minus M plus 1, or the ket of J comma M minus 1. Okay, and using of these two relation we want to solve the matrix representation of angular momentum, which is calculated by J square, Jx square, Jz, again J plus J minus, this all types of the matrix representation, so we have to need this equation. So now we want to, or we have to know that the expectation value of Jx and Jy is 0, and expectation value of Jx square and Jy square is 0, so that is nothing but the, we want to write here the expectation values of the expectation values of Jx and Jy are therefore 0, are therefore 0. So that means that, so J comma M of Jx of J comma M is equal to, so bra of J comma M, which is of operator of Jx, operates on this bracket, and also the bra of J comma M of Jy of j comma m, and this is nothing but the expectation value, and this expectation value of jx and jy is 0, and the expectation value of and the expectation value of values of jx square and jy square are equal. So this is nothing but the j comma m of jx square of j comma m is equal to j comma m expectation value of jy square of ket of j comma m, and this expectation value which is are the equal, and this expectation value which is given by the equation, so that is the jx square is nothing but, okay, so that is the expectation value of jx square, jy square is also equal, so expectation value of jy square is nothing but, and this value which is the 1 by 2 j comma m of j square, okay, minus j comma m jz square minus okay. So that is the expectation value relation of jx square jy square is equal to 1 by 2 j comma m. So expectation value of j square, so that is the components of jx square plus jy square plus jz square, and minus this expectation value of j comma m jz square, because we have to know that. So what is mean by j square? So j square is nothing but the jx square plus jy square plus jz square, and the solving of this equation commutator relation, so that bracket which obtained is there, so that is the jx square plus jy square minus jz, and this jx square plus jz square is nothing but jy square is nothing but the j square minus jz square, and using of this the eigenvalue equation of this jx square and jy square, and if you solving this equation, so that the final relation of this, so that is the jx square is equal to jy square, and this relation which is nothing but the h cross of 2 j of j plus 1 minus m, okay. So this j value which is, you have to know that, or orbital angular momentum value L or j, which is considered as, if j is equal to 1, so the m value which is nothing but the plus 1 0 and minus 1, that is the spin orientation. The small concept we want to see here, if we see the calculate the jx square and jy, that what is commutator relation, or what is the commutator relation in jz square and z jy and jz square jy, and then we have to see that is the j comma m jx square jm, so this equal or not, or how it is equal, so we want to see here. So first of all we want to see the commutation relation between the jx square and jy. Calculate jx square jy, again next commutator relation, so which is the jz square jy, and next which is nothing but the j square comma jz. okay, j square comma jz. So we want to solve this commutator bracket relation, then what is the equation is obtained here. So this relation, which is nothing but the j square relation with respect to jy. Okay, take first commutator bracket. So this is the jx square comma jy. Okay, and you know that how it is split this jx, and this jx is nothing but the jx comma jx comma jy. Okay, and if we split this commutator relation, so this is nothing but, first of all, this jx taken outside of this commutator bracket, so that's relation of the jx jy, and plus the commutator bracket of jx jy and this jx taken outside. Okay, and you know that this jx comma jy is nothing but the IH cross of jz. So this commutation relation will obtain here. So jx in bracket of IH cross of jz plus IH cross of jz or jx. Okay, and if we solve this example, so this is nothing but the IH cross of jx jz, and this is nothing but the IH cross of jz jx, and the final result of this, the jx square comma jy, this is nothing but IH cross taken outside in bracket of jx jz plus jz jx. Now we want to solve our next commutator bracket. So this is nothing but the commutation relation of this jz square comma jy, and this relation, which is nothing but the jz jz comma jy. Okay, and if we solve this relation, so this is nothing but this jz taken outside, so the commutator bracket of jz comma jy, and next one nothing but the plus of jz comma jy outside of jz, and this is nothing but the, what is IH cross of minus IH cross of jz jx, and next one nothing but the minus IH cross of jz and jy is nothing but, we have to know that, so that is the jx and jz. So this relation, which is nothing but the minus IH cross in bracket of jz jx jz jx plus jx jz. So this is the relation of this commutator bracket, and if we solve the next commutator relation, so that is the j square comma jy. Okay, now we want to solve the commutation relation, so that is the, so this is third number equation, so that is the j square comma jy, and this is nothing but jx square plus jy square plus jz square comma jy. Okay, and if we solve relation we have to know that, so that is the jx square relation with jy and jz with jx. Okay, so this jx square comma jy plus jy square comma jy and plus jz square comma jy, and we have to know that this jy square comma y is nothing but the 0. So the relation of this jx square comma jy, and this is already we have to solve in the last identity, and this is nothing but the IH cross of jx jz plus jz jx, and next identity which is jz square minus jy, which is the minus IH cross of jx jz minus jz of jx. Okay, and the final result of this, so this is nothing but the 0. So that is the j square minus jy cap of commutation relation, which is nothing but the 0. Okay, and if we know that, so that is the jx square is nothing but the 1 by 4 of j square plus j plus the, so this equation already see in the last lecture, just revise here. So what is nothing but the value of the jx square, is nothing but the 1 by 4 in bracket j plus square plus j plus j minus plus j minus j plus and plus j minus square. So this is the relation of the jx square, and again we want to write the relation of the jy square, and this jy square relation is nothing but the 1 by twice I and this relation, so that square of this, so this equation which get minus 1 by 4, and the in bracket relation, so that is the j plus square minus of minus of j minus or j plus j minus minus of j minus j plus and plus of j minus square. So this is the result of the solution of the jy square. So that is, and this we can write use of this equation, so that is the j comma m of jx square is nothing but the 1 by 4 j comma m of j plus j minus j plus j comma m, and this is nothing but the j square. So now up to this, now complete the total, the concept of the orbital angular momentum and total angular momentum, and the formation of orbital angular momentum and total angular momentum and commutation relation of this, and the eigenvalue equation of orbital angular momentum, so that is the L plus L minus Lx Ly or L square, or the eigenvalue equation of total angular momentum, so that is the jx jy j plus j minus jx square and jy square, and this eigenvalue relation is what? So this is already done. So in the next lecture we want to start the matrix representation of the angular momentum, and using of this eigenvalue equation we have to solve the relation of the matrix representation of the angular momentum. So thanking of you.